All right, guys, I stand corrected. As you can see, there are no marks or scratches. Anything you see right now, those little spots, is just dust, okay? Took it into the Apple store. Had a little bit of issues getting in there because I've had a busy work week, but I finally got in there. I just left there a little while ago, and everything is good. What happens is this little line here, this right here is silicone, so it will not scratch it. So that was good thinking on Apple's part. The guy used the alcohol pad, these wipes that pre-packaged. He used that to wipe the screen down, and then he used a microfiber cloth and polished it right out. So basically a little bit of that silicone, I guess, or the dirt and dust was building up and making the line. Now, listen, I'm no stranger to this, and I'm sure some of you people are like, oh, you should have thought better before posting this video. Well, it is what it is. When I first saw it and I couldn't easily get it to go away, I got nervous. I didn't want to use like a really strong cleaner or anything like that on it. I did use a little bit of a damp cloth, and it seemed like it wasn't coming off. And so I just wanted to take it into them before I like put some elbow grease into it and really made it go away. But as you can see, it's totally clear now. Everything is fine. This thing here, I guess the main important thing that I want to point out, and on top of this, I also want to say, Apple, I stand corrected. I'm sorry for posting that video. I will make it right by posting this video saying that everything is good. You guys were thinking ahead. This right here will not scratch your screen, okay? So for anybody who was worried and saw the other video and thought that, this will not scratch your screen. It's all good. All right, thanks for watching. I'll have another video out to you. So here we are the next day. This is important because later on in the day, when I held this display at certain angles, I was still able to see that line. Now, currently, I've cleaned the screen to the best of my ability. It's amazing how much dust this camera picks up, because when I look at it with my own eyes, I don't see all the dust that's coming up on the display from the camera right now. But I'm just trying to show you guys, at certain angles, you can't even see any blemishes at all. Because, and Apple said, look, there's no way that it's gonna scratch the screen, because this right here, they said, is silicone. So that stuff you think that's coming off of it, because it looked like some of it was coming off, but he said, no, it's just dirt and stuff on there, and he cleaned it. Basically, all it needed was a good cleaning. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I mean, you can see right now, that line is gone. The guy at the Apple store who looked at this iPad, he cleaned the screen really well, and he said you will probably see that line reappear from time to time, the same way you see marks from your keyboard show up on the screen, generally with your MacBook or MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, whatever. He says you're gonna see those things, but you just clean the screen and it's gonna be fine. These screens also, he and I both discussed this, and I mentioned, these screens are a lot more durable than the screens that are on the notebook computers, because this one is a touch screen. Those other ones are not touch screens. So this one's made to be touched, and you can polish it and you don't have to worry about it. I was just concerned that if I polished it too hard or used the wrong stuff on it, that I might cause some damage to the display, but that is not true. Everything is fine. I know you guys see dust here, but the point is you don't see those lines anymore. So I am happy. I stand corrected. Apple was thinking ahead by not making this this piece right here, the border or whatever, by not making that naked aluminum, by putting the silicone there. That was a good idea to keep it from scratching the display, and all is well. Thank you for watching this video. I'll have another one out to you soon.